the Philippine National Police or PNP vowed to boost the security in Metro Manila train stations due to the rise of reported crimes in the area. Based on the latest data of the National Capital Region Police Office or NCRPO, 83 crime incidents were reported in train stations since 2023. Majority of these crimes are theft, while some of the crimes are sexually related incidents, fake bomb threats, and illegal carrying of firearms. NCRPO Deputy Regional Director for Operations Brigadier General Rogelio Peñones said at least 18 marshals were already deployed, and police desks were established in all 45 stations in NCR.
Sa US, di ba, sa subways and sa trains, they have yung Transportation Security Office, mga TSO. It's because it's expected na daming crimes mangyayari sa mga train stations. It's because it's a convergence of a lot of people
from different areas.
From different areas, it's a convergence. So hindi sila nag-dedicate ng police. Because of the elevation of crimes, they put up yung transportation police nga, but just to focus primarily on securing the area. So baka pwedeng pag-aralan na kasi ang alam ko, ang PNP nahihirapan na with augmenting forces in different parts of Metro Manila kasi yung Vice President nga tinanggalan ng security from the PNP because kailangan sa kasi may PSG pa naman si Vice Presidente. Tinanggalan ng security because they need to augment different forces sa Metro Manila. So if that's the case, tapos maglalagay ka sa train station ng 'di ba ng police detail, baka maagawan pa yung ibang lugar, baka pag-aralan natin in the future having a transportation security office.
Yun na lang ibibigay. Pero
I know we have security guards now, pero deputize sila. Ganun din sa US subways saka sa London subways eh.
Naku, kasi grabe din kasi yung mga train stations natin sa sikip, no?
Kasi
tapos talagang talamak yung mga dukutan.
Because ang daming tao, kasi convergence nga, ika nga ng madaming tao from different walks of life.